This is Sky, a behind-the-ear hearing aid with an ear mold. To clean it, you will need the following tools: cloth, brush, vent cleaner, cleaning wire loop, drying beaker, air puffer, cleansing beaker and tablet. Routine care of your hearing aid is important for maintaining the best sound possible and for extending the life of your hearing aid. First, examine the hearing aid. Check for any wax or dirt. Pay particular attention to the end of the ear mold that fits into your ear and the top side of the hearing aid near the microphones. Use your clean, dry cloth to remove wax and dirt from the hearing aid. You can use the brush to remove wax or dirt near the end of the ear mold or microphones. Use the cleaning wire loop to remove any wax or dirt from the tip of the ear mold. Insert the vent cleaner through the vent to remove any wax or dirt. You should also wash your ear mold occasionally. To do this, remove the ear mold by pulling it off the hearing aid. Pour water into the cleansing beaker and insert cleansing tablet. Place the ear mold into the sieve and insert it into the cleansing beaker. After 15 to 30 minutes, rinse the ear mold under water. And dry it with a tissue or dry cloth. You can use the air puffer to remove moisture from the tubing and the vent. Once finished, reattach the tube to the hearing aid by pushing it back onto the ear hook. When you are not using your hearing aid, leave the battery door open so that any moisture can evaporate. You should dry your hearing aid overnight. A drying beaker can assist you with moisture removal. Please make sure to remove the battery.